Good morning, innovation. Today is Friday, September 11th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history, in 2001, the September 11th attacks occurred in the United States. A series of 4 coordinated suicide attacks were carried out by the terrorist group Al-Qaeda on the morning of September 11th. 19 militants hijacked 4 California-bound airplanes from East Coast cities in the United States and used the planes to target major American landmarks. 2 planes were crashed into the 2 towers of the World Trade Center, which caused them to collapse within 2 hours of being struck. 1 plane was crashed into the Pentagon building, while the 4th plane, thought to be bound towards Washington, D.C., crashed in a field in Pennsylvania, after passengers tried to fight back against the hijackers. The attacks claimed the lives of about 3,000 people and destroyed property worth billions of dollars. The attack was the precursor to the war against terror and the war in Afghanistan. Our quote of the day comes from Barack Obama. The future rewards those who press on. I don't have time to feel sorry for myself. I don't have time to complain. I'm going to press on. Important news for the week. Again, school returns in person Monday, September 21st. Make sure you're checking your grades and your attendance. You should have received your progress reports in the mail. As well, keep on pushing with those ST Math and AR Zone numbers. Make sure you're taking advantage of that asynchronous learning time or it's going to come to haunt you guys. And the parade of prizes is today at 12 o'clock. Make sure you let your parents know to come pick up your lunch if you want some, as well as your prize bags if you have in those averages of Kickboard dollars. Remember, $51 or more gets you the top prize bag. $45 to $50 gets you the second tiered prize bag, and $40 to $45 averaged each week gets you the third tier. Let's see if we have any birthdays today. Happy birthday goes out to Clara Grant. She's celebrating her birthday today. Happy birthday, Clara. I hope you have a great one. Let's see what we got cooking in the cafeteria. Today's breakfast is mini pancakes. Lunch is a grilled cheese marinara cup. Sounds delicious. Again, our core value for the week is closing that achievement gap. I know that school is hard, but guys, never give up. Sometimes you need to take a break and that's okay, but giving up is never okay. You're amazing and smart, and all you need is to take your time and remember how many people believe in you, especially Mr. Roussel. I'm looking forward to this weekend, guys, and I hope you are too. Make sure you rise to every occasion and have a great day and weekend. Bye.